You guys can find your credit card statement right in your online account if you guys have an online account. And usually, credit card companies will automatically send out your statements. A lot of credit card companies will try to sneak in there for you guys to get your credit card statements electronically, but you guys can still require that they mail you your statement. And it's really good if you guys can get a mail statement because it's going to keep you guys aware, especially if you're the type that's just going to spend money on a credit card and you're just paying a minimum balance or you have on auto pay, so you're not really tracking your spending on the way. Because when you start getting the statements in the mail, you guys are going to be able to look through all of these different transactions, making sure these transactions is actually yours. And they'll send these different statements out for free, so you guys definitely want to get it because you're going to see everything that's going on in your account, and it's going to make you more aware of what you're actually paying and how much you're paying in interest, because a lot of people simply don't look at their credit card statements at all. I remember when I first learned about credit, that's something that they don't teach you about. They teach you about oh, you can get this credit card, get that credit card, but they don't teach you all of the ins and out of it. Like I always try to tell you guys to only use 5% of your credit cards. If you guys only use 5% of your credit cards, you got 95% of available credit. That means you don't have that in debt. So that's just something I always try to teach you guys. And then I always tell you guys to make sure you pay your statement balance on your due date. Don't just pay your minimum balance. Pay your statement balance by your due date, your statement balance. Because if you do that, then they can't charge you interest. And a lot of these credit cards got like 29%. So I don't want you guys to be charged interest